You know that moment when someone hits you with, "So, what do you do for fun?" And your brain suddenly decides to evacuate the premises. Yeah, same. If small talk makes you feel like a buffering Wi-Fi signal, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's fix that. Here's how to survive small talk without crying in the bathroom afterward. Look, we all know small talk is basically just verbal gymnastics, and if you've got social anxiety, it can feel like attempting a backflip in jeans that definitely don't stretch. But the truth? You don't need to be smooth. You just need a game plan. So here are 3 foolproof hacks to keep conversations flowing. Even when your brain is screaming, "Abort mission." First, compliments. Seriously, compliments are social cheat codes. Spot something you like. "Love your shoes." Boom, conversation started. Pro tip. Follow it up with, "Where'd you get them?" People love talking about their stuff. And bonus, you barely have to talk at all. Second, become a question DJ. Just throw out easy, open-ended questions like, "Any fun weekend plans?" Or, "Seen any good shows lately?" Then let them do the heavy lifting. If you get stuck, just repeat their last sentence as a question. It's called mirroring, and yes, it's sneaky, but it works. Third, match their vibe. If they're hyped, get a little hyped. If they're chill, take a deep breath and pretend you didn't just practice this convo in the mirror for 20 minutes. Energy matching is like putting your personality on autopilot. Look, small talk isn't about being perfect. Worst case scenario, laugh it off and casually remember you left the oven on. You'll survive. And hey, if you want more tips to keep awkward moments from ending your social life, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below about your most awkward conversation ever. Oh, and don't forget to check out our blog for more in-depth info, tips, reviews, and plenty of ways to level up your social skills. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.